This video explores stability diagrams, trim tables, and stress tables, essential tools for understanding aircraft stability, control, and structural integrity. We'll examine how these resources contribute to safe and efficient flight. Ensuring a ship's stability is paramount for safe and efficient maritime operations. This involves understanding the ship's geometry, weight distribution, and the interplay of various forces, including trim and stress. Stability information is crucial for ship masters and crew to make informed decisions regarding cargo loading, ballast adjustments, and overall ship management. Key stability information sources. 1. Stability diagrams. This graphical representation illustrates the relationship between the ship's heel and angle and the writing arm. The writing arm is the horizontal distance between the center of gravity and the center of buoyancy when the ship is heeled. A larger value indicates greater stability. 2. Trim tables. These tables provide information on the ship's weight distribution, draft, and changes in stability under various loading conditions. They help determine the ship's trim, the difference in between the bow and stern, and its impact on stability. Number 3. Stress tables. These tables indicate the maximum allowable stresses that the ship's structures can withstand under different loading conditions. They are essential for ensuring that the ship's hull and other structural components are not overloaded. Analyzing stability information. 1. Trim analysis. Determine the ship's trim by measuring the draft at the bow and stern. Calculate the trim using the formula trim equals draft at bow minus draft at stern. Use the calculated trim to find corresponding stability parameters in the trim table. 2. Stability parameter calculation. The main stability parameter to assess include metacentric height. Metacentric, a measure of the ship's initial stability. A higher GM indicates better stability. It can be derived from the trim table or calculated using the formula. 3. Stress evaluation. Evaluate the stresses using load condition and stress formulas, ensuring that the ship's structure can handle the stresses induced by the current loading and trim conditions by comparing them against the allowable stresses provided in the stress table. Assessing overall stability. Ensure the ship's ability to right itself by calculating the righting moment and comparing it to the heeling moment. By following these steps and utilizing the information provided in stability diagrams, trim tables, and stress tables, ship masters and crew can perform a thorough assessment of a ship's stability, ensuring its safe and efficient operation. Remember to regularly update the trim and stress tables based on changes in load and configuration, and always refer to the ship's stability booklet for specific guidelines and safety factors.